Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Ford F-150 headlight bulb. This is a straightforward process that you can easily do yourself with just a few basic tools. First, gather your tools: a ratchet, an extension, and a 10mm socket. Always ensure your vehicle is turned off and the parking brake is set for safety before you begin. You'll find 3 bolts holding the headlight assembly. Once you have your tools ready, use the 10mm socket to carefully loosen and remove those 3 bolts. After the bolts are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight out from the vehicle's body. It might feel a little snug, but it will come free. Finally, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its release tab, and the assembly is completely free. Now that the assembly is out, it's time to replace the bulb. Twist the bulb socket counterclockwise about 1/4 turn to unlock it, then pull it straight out. Carefully remove the old bulb from the socket. When inserting the new bulb, remember to avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Just push it firmly into place. With the new bulb securely in its socket, reconnect the electrical connector to the headlight assembly. Then, carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its mounting position on the vehicle. Ensure it's seated correctly before reinserting and tightening the 3 10mm bolts. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight bulb to confirm it's working perfectly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.